Alright, so now I'm idling. You can see the idle is nice and smooth. It's not jumpy or anything like that. Should be able to still hear the whining. Now when I rev it, you're gonna hear the pitch change a little bit, but it stays pretty much the same. It doesn't like coincide with RPM, so give it a listen. It actually, the pitch of the whine kind of lowers a little bit when the RPMs go up, but it's not like a bad ground in your radio where it would whine, you know, higher and higher as the RPMs go higher and higher. So now I'm going to go under the hood and show you where it's kind of coming from. It's going to be a lot louder. See? Sounds like it's coming from the fan area. But when I pop the hood, sounds like it's coming from right under the intake, or right around the intake. I don't know if it's maybe the throttle body or if it's a pulley, but when I pull the dipstick, it doesn't go away, so I know it's not a PCV. It might be a pulley. I'm going to try to spray some of the pulleys, but it sounds like it's coming from right in here somewhere.